Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss Young's modulus, shear modulus, bulk modulus, lateral strain and Poisson's ratio. To understand what actually Young's modulus is, let us consider a rectangular block. Let force F be applied on both sides. If there is a force in this member, definitely there will be stress in this member. The stress produced in this member is equals to stress sigma is equals to F upon A, that is stress is equals to resisting force upon unit area. If you are applying load on this member, definitely there will be deformation in this member. So strain in this member is equals to change in length upon unit length. The ratio of direct stress to direct strain, that is sigma upon small e, is equals to Young's modulus. Units for Young's modulus are GPa. Now let us move on to the next point, that is shear modulus or rigidity modulus. It is also known as modulus of rigidity. To understand what actually shear stress is, let us consider a block which is fixed in the ground. Now if I try to push this block will experience some stress. That stress is known as shear stress. Due to this shear stress, there will be change in the dimensions of this block at perpendicular angles like this. When there is a change, the change in the dimensions to the original dimensions is known as strain, because it is a change due to shear force. This type of change is known as shear strain. Now, if we consider the ratio between these two values, that is shear stress upon shear strain, that value is known as shear modulus or modulus of rigidity. Now moving further, to understand what actually bulk modulus is, let us consider a cube of side A. When a body is subjected to like and equal direct stresses along three mutually perpendicular directions, then the ratio of direct stresses to the volumetric strain is known as bulk modulus. That is, when three forces are applied to this block, this will go under deformation. This change in dimensions to original dimensions is known as strain. The ratio of the stresses to the strain is known as bulk modulus. Here strain is considered for whole block, that is volume. So direct stress to the volumetric strain is known as bulk modulus, which is denoted by K. Let us know what is lateral strain. For that, let us consider again a rectangular block. When we apply load in axial directions, there is a change in the length of this block. Along with change in the length, there is a change in the lateral direction also. This change, that is, when the length is increased, the cross-sectional area of this block is decreased. This strain in the right angles to the axial force is known as lateral strain. Now moving further, let us know what is Poisson's ratio. Poisson's ratio is the ratio between the lateral strain and longitudinal strain or axial strain. That is, when we apply a force on this block, there is a change in the longitudinal directions. That strain is considered in denominator and the lateral strain is considered in the numerator. This ratio is known as Poisson's ratio. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video will be uploaded. Please share with your friends.